Chapter 14. The Tense. Let's start. Two neighbors were seen talking to each other. Read what they are saying. I heard that the police were looking for Mr. Ahuja. They even asked questions from us. Really? When did this happen? Let's understand. The highlighted verbs in the sentences above point to an action that was completed earlier. The question word when is used to know about the time of the action. The tense of a verb tells us about the timing of an action. It indicates the state of an action, its continuation or completion through changes in the form of verb. C. Underline the verbs in the English language has three tenses, the past, the present and the future. They refer to actions completed before now, in the process of completion now, and those that will be completed after now, respectively. Examples. They slept late last night, past. He is playing the piano now, present. She will return tomorrow morning, future. B. Take the best word that three forms of some common verbs. Given below are the simple present, simple past and the simple future tense of the common verbs you use regularly. Simple present, simple past, simple future. I or you or we or they. Ask, asked. Will ask. He or she or it asks, asked, will ask. I or you or we or they. End, ended, will end. He or she or it ends, ended, will end. I or you or we, they. Increase, increased, will increase. He or she or it increases, increased, will increase. I or you or we or they open, opened, will open. He or she or it opens, opened, will open. I or you or we or they use, used, will use. He or she or it uses, used, will use. There are some verbs which do not follow these rules and have their own forms for the different tenses. Simple present, simple past, simple future. I, am, was, will be. You, we, they, are, were, will be. He, she, it, is, was, will be. I, you, we, they, have, had, will have. He, she, it, has, had, will have. I, you, we, they, eat, ate, will eat. He, she, it, eats, ate, will eat. I, you, we, they, fly, flew, will fly. He, she, it, flies, flew, will fly. I, you, we, they, go, went, will go. He, she, it, goes, went, will go. I, you, we, they, ring, rang, will ring. He, she, it, rings, rang, will ring. C. Complete the sentences with suit. Do remember that tenses give more information about the time of an action. English language has three tenses, past, present and future tense. Some verbs follow the same rules for the formation of the different tenses. Others have their own form. Chapter 15.